McCaffrey will inbound. Looking for Garza. The lob. Blocked by Cockburn. Garza gets it back. It's short. And Illinois hangs on. Now Durham underneath to Race Thompson. And Cockburn with a rejection.
Yeah, if you're Thompson, chipping on Cockburn to help out Trace Jackson-Davis with that block. Whoa, kind of 4 second chance points. And so what you heard the coaching staff and Coach Underwood in particular.
5 minutes. Cockburn makes sure that drought counts.
This Nebraska team is very competitive. Lauren Bashanis Bailey. Oh, what a block. Beer got it.
For Rutgers. Mathis.
Nice pass.
In the fight against Kansas.
You have to love how in college basketball we have so many. This is the third made three of the year for Feliz. John's underneath Walker.
Sumu. Underwood into Cockburn, and Kofi Cockburn for 2.
Playing a little bit of a 1-2-2 zone look, kind of switching things off here. You have to get the ball in the middle of the lane and in the gaps. Nice job.
What a feed from Feliz to Cockburn. Ball into his 20-point game. He does it every night out. Those two guys have to be limited. Nichols into Cockburn. 8 combined points for those two. They had 36 in the first meeting as Cockburn open 3. Dosumu. Boy, there's Kofi Cockburn, so strong. But no run. Trying to get it into Cockburn. He's got it. He waits. He finishes.
And he played through some time.
But the bottom 4 teams have to do that. Cockburn, one-on-one with Jackson-Davis. Now Thompson helps. Cockburn says, I don't care. Driving on Fennessy. Got it up? No, but Cockburn gathers, and Cockburn scores it.
Robbie, I was just wondering though, Dave, like when you get that kind of award and then you got to still work in the second half, it's kind of hard, right?
I wouldn't know. Fresh 20 for the Illini. That is 14 offensive rebounds now for Illinois. And Cockburn able
To get to the nation.
Frazier with the shot clock winding down. Cockburn the offensive goal. Cockburn, pull-off jumper that goes.
Feliz bounces for Cockburn, who throws it down. Feliz high off the glass. No, and it's Cockburn. Under 10 to shoot. Dosumu has a game-high 20. Lobs it up for Cockburn. 5 to shoot. Dosumu. Cockburn beating the horn.
Had a great year last year. Just what he's doing this season is incredible. It's Kofi Cockburn. Tapped it back.
Tails off, because that's what both of them did when they hit the floor.
So doing that so far this evening. A nice ball game as Cockburn goes right down low. Gets Sumu over the top. Cockburn battling, gets his own rebound. Kofi Cockburn. First points of the game here to start out this second half. Trent Frazier missed some time in that first half because of foul issues. Right. The Big Ten has been a really good conference. The Big East to that point too. Cockburn underneath. Nice moves.
Down low. That pass was deflected. Cockburn still back from Cockburn. Uses the left hand. No good. Offensive rebound. Illinois an extremely good offense. And then missed the reverse layup. A quick first step. Lob pass. Cockburn running the floor. Nice pass. Cockburn scores with a foul. But that does, that makes the stat sheet a little more even. What a shooting 37% for the year. Not just from 3 overall. Cockburn, the catch and the finish. Nichols got cut off. Cockburn from that elbow area. He's even got Bashanishvili. Cockburn's got to get the shot off. He does. Got his own miss and put it back.
That's a much better person. And that's saying something because he was a heck of a coach here.
As the midway point first half, Cockburn gives the lineup. That scheme looked a year ago, right? They'd have their arms and hands and passing lanes. Look out. Out of the little almost floater or jump shot.
Finish there for Haygood. I mean, not afraid to take it up against Cockburn, and Cockburn going right back at him on the good bounce pass.
Georgie, unselfish.
Got a mismatch. So they can find it. There you go.
Cockburn underneath. Good work. Billy finding the space.
Billy going to work. Cockburn grabs the loose ball. Muscles. The handoff to Felice, able to keep the dribble alive from one knee. Cockburn with 4 to shoot. The right hand hook.
They're going to do right now.
Well, that's an interesting thing as Cockburn gets it right away and throws Cockburn against Teskey. It's been a battle all night.
Boy, I love it. Teskey set on his right hand, but Cockburn is a great layup shooter.
Cockburn at the rim.
Possession, great post defense. Who's going to shoot?
High-low, and
I don't buy any of Illinois statistics. Illinois statistics are against bad teams.
Cockburn. Big to big, right back. Bishonishvili. Cockburn's open. There he is. Bishonishvili with some elbows out, and he sweeps through to miss. Cockburn's got the rebound, and he finishes.
Here by the Bulldogs.
Feed post to post and a hammer.
Doesn't he? Not afraid of that contact.
Nice flip to Cockburn.
Speak called. Stansbury will learn not to go down until he's completely clobbered.